ready to say goodbye to your Pandadoc account and ensure your data is securely wiped. This video will guide you through a clean and complete removal. First, navigate to the Pandadoc website and log in with your credentials. This is necessary as account deletion can only be initiated from within your active account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or settings menu. Usually in the top right of your dashboard, click on it to reveal the options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the account configuration area. In the settings, carefully look for a section related to account management or billing within this area. You should find a button labeled Delete Account or Close Account. Clicking this will trigger a confirmation prompt. Pandadoc ensures you are certain about this irreversible action. Review the message and click Confirm or Delete. You have successfully initiated the deletion of your Pandadoc account. Your data will be removed from their system. This process is permanent, so be sure you've backed up any necessary information.